Don't let the world make you think that there is something wrong with you because of what you are going through. Everybody has their struggles. And going through what you are going through doesn't make you weak, doesn't make you less. It makes you human. And I know it's hard when the pain chooses you. I know it's hard when you've been hoping for a breakthrough, but nothing seems to come through. I know it's hard when you've been working so hard for those dreams, and those dreams don't come true. I know it's hard to battle a silent battle. But I want you to know this. There is more to your life. There is more to your life than what you are going through, what you went through, and what you are going to go through. Don't let this chapter make you end your story. It's time for you to dig up all those seeds of doubt, and at this moment, replace those seeds with seeds of faith. You tell yourself, yeah, I am going through this, but at least I'm not dead. I'm still alive. You are still here. You are stronger than what you think, so I want you to keep fighting. You find any reason to survive right now. You find any reason to make it to see tomorrow. Because when you get free from it, what you are going through, you are gonna be one of the strongest people that your friends, that your family knows. Because you survived something. There is better days ahead. I promise you, no storm lasts forever. Just because you have some bad chapters, just because this chapter is bad, doesn't mean your story can't end well. So you keep living, you keep fighting, and you keep the faith. You make up in your mind right now that you are gonna fight with faith tonight. You make up in your mind right now that you are gonna survive tonight. Whatever it takes, despite everything that you are going through, these storms, that you are going through the flood in your life with pain right now. Find this strength inside of your weakest moment right now. That lets you know that everything is gonna be okay. Eventually you will realize everything that you went through had a purpose.